Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If your Roblox chat is not working, don't worry about that. In this video, I will fix the Roblox chat error, so watch the video till the end and follow the tips. Click on the three dotted more button. Click on the setting and then click on the privacy option. Now check here the account restriction. If it is enabled, then first is disable, because custom control your own setting. Default enable chat and message with a friend of disable chat and message. First disable it. Now in the communication section should be set as default, and who can message me option should be friends, and who can text me also selected friends, and who can text chat with me selected everyone. Now all is okay. After doing this, your problem will be fixed and enjoy your game. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe here our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.